I'm Jason Chilson with Kafka Granite, here today with the Parade Wausau Area Builders Association for 2022. We are on site today with Heath from Denyon Homes. How are you doing today?
We're good.
So we're on house number 2. You've got 2 homes in the parade this year.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about this home here?
Yeah, well, as you can see, we have a lot going on. It's a brand new subdivision. All the noise that you hear in the background, they're building the road, so we're a little bit behind on the house, but this is our Azalea model.
Okay.
Azalea model is part of our family design series. It's built for a family. It's got a nice master suite, 3 bedrooms, main floor laundry, and this house sits on a private backyard. It's almost a full acre lot.
Okay, perfect. And then so we're in Hinter Springs subdivision, is that correct?
Yeah, so the subdivision is called Hinter Springs.
Okay.
It's the old Hinter Farm, and we're right off of Birch in Weston.
Cool. That sounds great. So Hinter Springs, what else do we have going on for you guys in this subdivision? Tell me a little bit more of how many lots, maybe how many homes you have?
Yeah, so in this phase there's 49 single-family lots. We have about 10 houses under construction. We haven't started accepting offers yet because we have to get the roads done.
Okay.
We expect that to be done by July 1st, where the blacktop and everything will be complete. We will have access for the parade homes.
Okay, well that's
So
good to know.
yeah, that's it.
We do want people to
That's
come
our
here
goal,
and get to take a
yeah.
look at the house. So awesome. Well, thanks for your time.
Yeah.